Hey everyone, Brian and Jeff with Wrenches and Rides, and we did a very quick and very inexpensive LED light upgrade on Jeff's car.
Totally changes the appearance and the usability of the car.
You know, when you're driving at night, sometimes even with a car that's not that old, you can see that your headlights are a little bit dim or they're very yellow, and you want to be careful not to bright people out or have, you know, too crazy of bright headlights in here. But there are some good LED options that will change your color temperature a little bit up and give you a little bit better feeling. Now, you're not going to change the pattern in most cases, but you can get a little bit brighter. The lights that we put in here together are 6400 lumen, and they are a color temperature of 6500 K. Installation was a breeze.
10-minute job, simple. Pop
throw
them
them
out,
in.
plug them in. Make sure you plug them in the correct way because there is a positive and negative side to them.
Which is odd on these lights because they have a little clip that holds them in, and the clip's on both sides.
Yeah, they could have done it one-sided so there wasn't a mistake, but
either way, it works, and once you have them in, you can see the difference right off the bat, and you can see that the way the LEDs came out on this, they did change just the pattern that this goes out slightly, not enough to affect anyone, but a very good, simple upgrade if you're looking for it. We'll put a link in the description for the bulbs that we used. These do have a 1-year warranty, and you can find a million different ones out there. I think it's something good to do if you can find the right one for your vehicle and if your bulbs change easily.
and just for the added visibility, it's a no-brainer.
Yeah. Give us a like on this video, subscribe to our channel, watch us on social media. Have a great day.